University of Florida Congenital Heart Center is number one in the state of Florida in terms of congenital heart and cardiothoracic surgery, and we are number 12 in the nation.
Well, the Congenital Heart Center is actually a very unique structure in pediatric cardiology because our administrative and clinical structure puts together all of those people that are focused on the care of the congenital heart patient. For example, the surgeons, the cardiologists, anesthesiologists, nurses, and all the ancillary people.
We have a great imaging department here with fetal echo and CT and MRI. We have an amazing CICU here where we see all kinds of unique pathology, multiple surgeons here, and who are wonderful to work with. We have a very strong transplant program here as well. I felt like in interviewing at other places, you had to go to a really, really large center in order to get all of those things. And also have the smaller size of the program where we get really individualized attention and a lot of one-on-one time with our attendings.
When you have a complete multidisciplinary team in a program, the fellow will be exposed in all aspects of cardiology. From an advanced imaging perspective, they will be able to be exposed to MRIs and cardiothoracic CTAs, and as well as fetal echoes and your normal transthoracic and TEEs.
We have 15 faculty members in cardiology. Each one of them has a specialty in some area of subspecialty pediatric cardiology. So the fellow exposure to these faculty members is very intense, and they can be mentored in many of the areas that they may be interested in for a future career in pediatric cardiology.
All our fellows do research, and in our program they have different choices. It could be clinical, translational, basic science, and even in health policy. And most of our fellows do present in national, international conferences.
So I think as a fellow who's also a mom, one of the big attractions here at the University of Florida is Baby Gator, which is a daycare center for the children of the healthcare workers. And it's actually located right next to the hospital, so it's wonderful because I can bring my son to work with me, and it's just nice knowing that he's right there, almost in the same building as me when I'm here at work. I think Gainesville is a wonderful place to live. Obviously, the University of Florida is here, which is a big draw with everything that comes with it, including all of the sports. There's so much to do if you're more of an outdoorsy type person. There's the springs, there's lots of trails where you can go running or ride your bike. There's lots of great parks. Gainesville's also unique in that it's so central to lots of different places. So you're pretty close to the beach, Disney World, pretty close to everything, really. And it's also not too big of a city, so there's not a lot of traffic. You can get to work easily. So I think it's a really nice, easy place to live.